Hey there, pioneers! Here's how you can get the digestion adaptation in Subnautica 2. I'm sure you have noticed that early in the game, if you try to eat any cooked fish, you'll get that digestive incompatibility tooltip, and your character will react negatively. That is because you need to have the digestion adaptation first, before you are able to cook and consume any of the flora or fauna you find. To get this adaptation, you can easily find it once you have the Anita quest given by Noah, where you're able to see the black box signal on the world. If you don't have it yet, just go 30 degrees to the northeast. Either follow the signal or the direction I gave you, and you'll find this platform with a huge alien plant behind it. What you need to do next is to approach the pink jelly-like object on top of the plant and interact with it. Then you'll get the digestion adaptation, meaning you can now digest any local flora or fauna you cook and eat. And that's all of it. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like or comment and subscribe to the channel for more quick dive guides. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you in the next video.